This 5-minute solution will show you how to enable family sharing on Steam. First of all, launch your Steam and click on Steam menu. Click on settings and here select family and toggle this option authorize library sharing on this device. And here you will get no eligible accounts. Now let's see how you can add an account here. Click on your Steam username, click on sign out of account, and now log into your another Steam account. Once you sign into your another Steam account or your family member account, now click on Steam menu, settings, click on family, enable this option, and after that relog back into your old Steam account. Once you are in your old Steam account, click on Steam menu again, settings, select family, and as you can see, my another account or my family account has been added here. Now enable the account to share your games. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.